How to make a Bologna pack. Please add the cold water into the white glass up to the half, and then cover it with the clean cloth like this. And make sure it touches the water a little bit, and just a little bit of surface, a little bit up, and then pour your whiskey on it slowly. So that's my whiskey. Just pour over it. That's it. And then pick up your clean cloth slowly, and there you go, your Bologna pack. That's how the pro whiskey drinkers gonna drink the drinks. Thank you. Hopefully this gonna be help you to make your life easier in this COVID-19 lockdown days. Bye.